Hey guys, what up? So the coin is pretty much ready to rock. I was going through it today line by line, just making sure everything is, all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted, etc., etc. And it's compiling and it should be ready to go. I'm going to be doing another review tomorrow and actually testing it on the test net. There's different test networks that you can deploy contracts to. So, excuse me, pretty excited about that. Kind of started working on slash planning coin number two as well. So this is a little strategy I like to use to not really be too invested in one thing. Again, it's kind of like a mind game, sort of an inner game thing to just have other things going on. Because if you just have one thing going on, it can kind of really just create that expectation, that expectation of outcome, that sort of needy clinginess, which can keep you from even launching it. So I don't like that. I like right when I have a project out, I like to already be on to the next thing. And if need be, I can go back to the old project if it proves promising. So yeah. Anyway, the one thing I wanted to talk about was that the programming style, doing smart contracts, hopefully smart contracts that is much different from doing from doing like web programming, centralized apps, if you will. Because when you do a centralized app, you can just it's just so easy to test. You just hit refresh in your browser and you see the product of what you've been working on. Not so easy with decentralized apps. So at least the way that I've been doing it, and again, I've just started, so I'm not a pro. I don't have like a test suite running all the time on my DApp or whatever. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. But I'm being very meticulous with it. So I'm, and this is not how I normally work. Normally I just build stuff because the things I've been building in the recent past have been things I've done a ton of times before. So it's just sort of second nature to throw it up and then whatever, doesn't work, then you fix it. But with this one, it's like very meticulous, line by line, just every single expression, just really looking at it and analyzing it, thinking about it, referring to the documentation, looking at other examples. So, yeah, a different style of programming. And the actual amount of code is very small relative to other projects. So, well under 1,000 lines. Um, I don't, I think maybe it's 300 lines if you took out all the comments. So, it's very, very short. But it has to, you know, be precise and obviously there can't be any mistakes at all, otherwise people can potentially exploit them or just like, mess up your contract somehow. So yeah, but I'm actually really excited about coin number two, even though I haven't pushed out number one yet. Um, and I really do want to start giving some details about the coins, but I feel kind of weird about talking about the specifics because there's sort of it's part of the, I guess, the coin culture, sort of the crypto culture, to not really put your name out there. Like even on Reddit, you're not really supposed to attach any personal information to your posts about any sort of, if you have any holdings in Bitcoin or anything like that, because it can be a security concern. So if a coin blows up and people know that you're behind it, then they can, I guess, try to hack your computer or whatever, which wouldn't happen in my case because, well, I guess they could, but they wouldn't be able to get my coins because they're going to be on a, they're not going to be stored in my computer, right? So anyway, that said, I do want to start talking about what I'm actually building soon because it's pretty cool, I think. Hopefully other people think so too. But anyway, I still have to do the, like, write the copy and do the design of the actual coin marketing page, basically. So, yeah, going to be doing that. Obviously, that's very important. It's really, for this coin in particular, it's going to be all marketing. I mean, I think the idea is pretty sweet, so that'll carry it, a little bit of the way. But the marketing, I want to get the, basically put everything that I've learned to use and just make a, pretty good copy page. Yeah. So this all works out. I might be skipping town and moving to Mexico to live like a king on my Ethereum. We'll see. Hopefully it works out. All right, that's it for now. Really excited. That's it. Talk to you later. Bye.